This is another question paper of last year related to your this paper William Shakespeare. Just have a look what kind of questions are asked. Generally, section A, section B and section C. Okay, section A again is based on very short type questions and it will give you 2 marks, means each question will provide you only 2 marks. So, you have to be very brief at the time of answering to this section. The very first question of this section is most important question, and if you go through the last year question papers, you will find it out that this question has been asked several times. Name the play within the play. Okay, play within the play in Hamlet. When Hamlet was asked by his uncle that what is the title, what is the name of this play, he says or he tells mouse trap. So some students, what they do in the exams, that they also write the name of the play within the play. That was the original name was The Murder of Gonzago. But a few students, if they write the name mouse trap, that is also not wrong because that was told by Hamlet. So name the play, that is The Murder of Gonzago. Name the play within the play in Hamlet. Or where was Hamlet studying before he returned to Denmark? Second one is, what is ironic about Lady Macbeth's remark, a little water clears us of this deed? And these quotations are very important, this one and this one, if it be love indeed and the isle is full of noises. So we find here that section A is actually based on these famous lines. So sometimes what happens that in this section you are given any quotation or I statement, any remark, and you are asked the name of the speaker. For example, what is ironic about Lady Macbeth's remark, a little water clears us of this deed? How long does Olivia in 12th night plays to mourn her dead brother? How long? Okay, you have to tell here how long she mourns for her dead brother, because she had taken an oath. Fourth one is, what does Cleopatra mean by this statement? If it be love indeed, tell me how much. Who says the isle is full of noises? So this statement is also very famous, and here you are being asked the name of the speaker. Now section B, another one is short type questions. Who do you think bears greater responsibility for the murder of King Duncan, Macbeth or Lady Macbeth? Explain. And here we all know that it was Lady Macbeth. What role does Malvolio serve in 12th night? And the last one is of this section, discuss the role of Enobarbus as a chorus. Enobarbus' role as a chorus in Antony and Cleopatra. And now section C is based on long type questions, descriptive questions, and each question will give you 10 marks. From this section, the very first question is, discuss Hamlet as a play about indecisiveness. Okay, indecisiveness, what does it mean? Indecisiveness is a state of being undecided, means when you are unable to take any decision in your life, or you are in a fix and you are not deciding that what is wrong or what is right. And the same state, the same plight we find of Hamlet, to be or not to be, that is the question. So no doubt that Hamlet, this play is of uncertainty, or of the state being confused that what is right for him or what is wrong for him. So discuss Hamlet as a play about indecisiveness. Next one is, what is the role of witches in the play Macbeth? Okay, and the role of witches is very important, because witches, they appeared actually in the starting of this play, and whatever happens, that happens only after their presentation or after their description by Shakespeare. Means when they arrive and whatever they foresee, they forecast, that cast a great effect on Macbeth, not on Banquo but especially on Macbeth. So the role of witches is very important in this play. Next one is A.C. Bradley has observed of Macbeth that in its language as in its action, the drama is full of tumult and storm. Tumult and storm. Elucidate. Discuss the role of mistaken identity in Twelfth Night. Who is mistaken for whom and what do these mix-up signifies? Means you have to write here the plot because there was a lot of confusion because of the twins. Okay, so who is mistaken for whom and what do these mix-ups signifies? They were twins, brother and sister, and they both were mistaken for each other. Discuss Antony and Cleopatra. This is a very simple question and there is no confusing language, but in a simple way you have been asked that discuss Antony and Cleopatra as a historical play. And the last one is what is the nature? Means there you have been given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, and out of 6 questions you have to answer to only 3 questions. Okay. So the last one of this section is what is the nature of Ferdinand's relationship with Miranda? What is the nature of Ferdinand's relationship with Miranda? So all these were important questions related to this paper, and it can help you if you are appearing in any exam and you go through the question papers of last year. That will definitely help you because you can have an idea that what kind of questions can be given from this particular play, short, very short or long. So just have a look.